A very good morning to all my dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Hope you have prepared well for your exams. So today is your social studies paper. So best of luck for your exam. You have to write your name, your roll number and your whole paper in a very good handwriting. Follow these instructions. Okay. So here I am reading paper for you. Our first question is multiple choice questions. First one, in India, Teachers Day celebrates the birthday of Jawaharlal Nehru, APJ Abdul Kalam, and third option is Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Second, most people in our country live in cities, villages, or town. Tick the correct answer and write in the blank. The government of other countries have their offices in Delhi that are known as embassies, ambassadors, or commissioners. A place along the coast where ships load and unload goods is called an airport or a port or a factory. The main festival of Kolkata is Holi, Diwali, or Durga Puja. Sixth one, Bombay High is high mountain, an important oil field, or it is a college in Mumbai. Seventh one, New Delhi was built by the Mughals, Pandavas, or British. Civic amenities in villages are provided by Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat, or Sarpanch. Tick the correct answer. Now, our second question is filling the blanks. The Panchayat runs blank centers to look after the sick. Second one, on Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hosts the national flag from blank. Crude oil has been found in blank off the Mumbai coast. The Amar Jawan Jyoti burns in the memory of blank. Fifth one, at the time of Emperor Shah Jahan, Delhi was called blank. Sixth one, blank and blank are two popular snacks of Mumbai. The film industry is referred as blank. The members of the municipal council are called municipal blank. The police protect our blank and blank. The main language spoken in Kolkata is blank. Now comes our third question. State whether the sentence is true or false. You have to write full spelling of true and full spelling of false. Don't only write T or F. Okay? Postal workers helps us to find missing people. Second one, most of the money for the municipal corporation comes from the taxes we pay blank. Every gram panchayat must have at least one woman member among its elected. Fourth one, Rajghat is the Samadhi of Gandhiji blank. Haryana is the neighboring state of Delhi blank. So you have to write full spelling. Okay, students. Now comes our fourth question. Match the column. Teachers Day, when it is celebrated. Ganesh Chaturthi, Jew, railway station, river. And here in column B you have Hooghly, Howrah, 5th September, beach and festival. Already have answer column near that. You have to write answers there. Then comes our sixth question. Name the following. The Prime Minister of India. First one is the Prime Minister. Who is the Prime Minister of India? The Finance Minister of India. The Home Minister of India. Fourth one is an important part of Kolkata is named as Delhi is also known as blank. Our fifth questions complete here. Now moving to question number 6. Word meanings. Botanical garden, pot. Third one is monument. Fourth one is amenities. And fifth one is law. All my dear students, you have to write answers. You have to write whole meaning, but in a very good handwriting. So moving to our last question of the paper. Answer the following questions. List 4 important functions of Gram Panchayat. List 4 important functions of Gram Panchayat. Second one, mention some tourist attractions of Delhi. Mention some tourist attraction of Delhi. Then comes our third question. Which are the industries based in Mumbai? Third one, which are the industries based in Mumbai? Fourth one, name 3 places of tourist interest in Kolkata. Name 3 places of tourist interest in Kolkata. Fifth one, write few sentences about transport facilities in Kolkata. Few sentences about transport facilities in Kolkata. Sixth one, which are the 2 parts that make up Delhi? How are they different? Which are the 2 parts that make up Delhi? How are they different? Last but not least, what does the traffic police do? I hope you will find paper very easy. Again, I am telling very good handwriting. Check your paper very well. Check the paper 2 times. Okay, students? Once again, best of luck. Do the best. Thank you.